Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to hide or unhide any folder using the command prompt in Windows 10 and Windows 11. It's a simple task, and you don't need any third-party tools or applications. Let's say you have a folder named Music in your Music section, containing various files, videos, and MP4s. To hide this folder, follow these steps. Click on the address bar at the top of the File Explorer window, type CMD, and hit Enter. Attribute +H pluses plus where music. If you refresh the File Explorer, you'll see the folder is no longer visible. If you want to unhide the folder in the future, you can easily do so with a similar command. In the command prompt, type the following command, replacing the plus signs with minus signs. Attrib HSR music. Hit Enter, and the folder will reappear in your File Explorer. Be careful with the command prompt and only unhide folders you are sure about to avoid accidental data loss. That's it! This is the easiest way to hide or unhide any folder on your Windows PC without using any additional applications. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!